Welcome to the SAPC MVC platform tutorial part 3. Today we'll be discussing the overview of the functionalities that tutors have, such as access to intern and learner progress reports for submission, how to view intern and learner progress reports relating to internship and or in-service training, such as PSP training. If you're a tutor or supervising pharmacist, you'll have access to the Tutor Supervising Pharmacist tab, where you'll be able to accept and decline learners, submit progress reports, and complete declarations. Let us begin. In order to find the Tutor or Supervising Pharmacist tab, you need to begin at My Profile and click on the Tutor or Supervising Pharmacist tab. Once you're inside, the first tab available is the My Interns or Learners Progress. Here you'll be able to view each intern, their role, and the date at which they started working at the pharmacy. The following tab is the Accept or Decline Tutor or Supervising Pharmacist Association, where you can accept or decline learners and or interns practical training association. It is then followed by the Accept or Decline Tutors Delegation of Interns Training, where you can accept or decline learners and interns practical training association as well. Let's move on to the next part of the tutorial. The following tab is the declaration of completion of 400 hours of practical training by academic interns or interns in manufacturing pharmacy. It is then followed by declaration of completion of hours for pharmacist in restoration. Here you'll find the declaration of completion of 40, 200, and 400 hours of practical training by a pharmacist in restoration. The next three tabs are for progress reports. Here you'll be able to submit progress reports for assistants and interns as well. When you click these tabs, you'll be redirected to the SAPC website. The final tab under the Tutor or Supervising Pharmacist tab is the progress reports for former B Pharmacy students. When you click the tab, it sends you to a page where you can do progress reports for Learner Basic, Post Basics, and trainees. It is important to note that the MVC Secure site will be implemented in 3 phases, and that all areas of the Secure site will be moved to the MVC platform. Thank you for watching part 3 of the MVC platform tutorial.